How to download TikTok on USA. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Now at the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now click on the option Country or Region. Click on the option Change Country or Region. Here, you're going to find the list of the countries. Select any of the country besides United States. After you select it, agree with the terms and conditions of Apple. Now fill out this payment method, billing name and billing address. After you update the region in your Apple ID, now what you have to do is, now head back. Now in the storage box type in VPN. With that, different VPN app will appear. Download any of it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. Agree with the terms and conditions of VPN. Then click on this icon to connect to any of the server. Click on the option Fastest Server. Now from here as well, you have to select the country that you have just set for your App Store. Once you are connected, what you have to do is close this. Now, launch your App Store, search for the app TikTok. App will be available and you will be able to download it. So this is how you can download TikTok on USA. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.